Hello! Welcome to the show. Psychiata here with another LEGO Creations video, and today I'm doing another subscriber request with a LEGO monkey. This one came out very much different than first anticipated by myself. I went into it thinking that I was going to create something that was a fairly realistic representation of a monkey, and as the building process went further forward, I decided that just wasn't going to work. In order to create something that would get the impression of a realistic stylization, the build itself would have had to been much larger, I think. Get some more detail in there, specifically in the facial area. That being said, I enjoyed the outcome. I enjoyed the process of it. I liked the fact that I was able to create something that looked like a cartoon character almost. I could imagine this monkey being the main character in a half-hour cartoon or even a movie type of thing. Thank you very much for the request. If you guys have any of your own requests you'd like to see made by me out of LEGO, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. As usual, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I will see you next time.